Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to quickly erase unwanted text using Canva's AI tools. Click the Create button to begin. Next, choose the Custom Size option from the menu. Enter 300 for both the width and height fields to set your canvas to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, locate the image on your screen. Click and hold the image, then drag it to your desired location. Copy the image, then switch to your Canva design and paste the image onto the canvas. Select the text within the image by clicking and dragging your mouse here. Click the Edit button to begin making changes to your project or selected item. Click the Tools menu, then select See All to view the complete list of options. Scroll down the page, find the Elements section, then click on Select, and finally choose Drop Text from the available options. There's no text available for this image, so let's search for another one. Click the search bar and type a relevant keyword to find images with visible text. Browse through the results and select an image that contains readable text. Once you've chosen an appropriate option, click on the image to continue working with the selected content. Let's try this example. First, locate the text area on your screen. Click inside the text area to activate it. Now, type the text you want to enter directly into the field. Next, click the Edit button if you need to make any changes to the text. To grab or select the text, move your cursor over the text area, click and drag to highlight the desired section, then right-click on the highlighted text to access additional options or copy it as needed. To edit the text, click directly on it, then press Delete to remove the existing content. You can now enter your new text. After updating the text, adjust the font style by selecting the text and choosing a font from the options above. You can also add additional text boxes if needed. Adjust the thickness as needed, then duplicate the shape by selecting it and using the duplicate function in the toolbar. This allows you to create multiple copies with consistent thickness, making it easy to repeat the same design element throughout your project. Click OK to confirm your selection. Next, let's increase the outline thickness. Locate the outline or border settings in your toolbar or side menu. Find the option labeled Outline Thickness or Border Width. Click on it, and a slider or input field should appear. Drag the slider to the right or enter a higher value to make the outline thicker. Once you're satisfied with the preview, apply the changes. You'll now see the thicker outline appear around your selected shape or object. Set the value to 150. Next, gather the specs and prepare to send a bug report. Attach the bug file, the image, and the collected specs. Review everything to ensure all files are included. Then send the bug report with the attached details as required. Continue positioning each element as needed. Check the reverse layout to ensure everything aligns correctly. To change the text color, select the desired text, then use the color picker to choose your preferred color. Repeat this step for any additional text elements. Once you've made your updates, review the changes to confirm everything looks right. Now your layout and colors are fully set. To merge the text with the image, select both the text and the image on the console.g panel. Then, use the merge function to combine them. You'll see that one element has already been successfully merged as an example. Increase the size of the image by clicking and dragging its corners. Next, select the image and choose Ungroup to separate any grouped elements. Repeat the ungrouping process if necessary. Then, with the image selected, go to the Position option in the toolbar. Click the world icon to access more placement settings. Now, select the text element you want to move. Drag the text box and position it below the image. This lets you arrange your layout easily, placing the text exactly where you want it under the image. Click to add another image. Next, duplicate the existing image by selecting it and using the duplicate option. Now, select one of the images and choose the Remove Background option to isolate your subject. After removing the background, you can place the steps image behind the bear. To do this, import both images into your project. Make sure the bear is on the top layer and the steps image is on the layer below it. Adjust the position of the steps layer so it appears behind the bear. If necessary, resize or reposition either layer to get the desired look. This creates a clear separation between the subject and the background steps. Click the Share button, then select Download, choose PNG as the file format, and complete the download to your computer. Now you know how to remove text from images using AI in Canva. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tips.